Hello, my dear students. Our lesson today about quadrilaterals and parallelogram. Quadrilateral is a polygon consists of 4 sides and has 2 diagonals. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides and closed line. Properties of parallelogram. Parallelogram, each 2 opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. And each 2 opposite angles are equal in measure, and each 2 consecutive angles are supplementary, and the 2 diagonals bisect each other. Again, the properties of a parallelogram: each 2 opposite sides are parallel, each 2 opposite sides are equal in length, each 2 angles are equal in measure, each 2 consecutive angles about parallelism, their sum equal 180, and 2 diagonals bisect each other. Parallelogram is a rectangle. If what? If one angles are right. One of its angles is a right angle, so the quadrilateral converts to rectangle. Or a parallelogram when we make its diagonals are equal in length, so it's converted to rectangle. If we want to convert a parallelogram to a rhombus, we must make 2 adjacent sides are equal, or all sides are equal in length, and 2 diagonals perpendicular. To make a parallelogram square, we must make 2 conditions. One of angles are right, so all angles are right, and all sides are equal in length, and 2 diagonals perpendicular, and all angles right, and 2 diagonals equal or perpendicular, or 2 adjacent sides are equal in length and diagonal equal in length. So the properties of a rectangle: each 2 opposite sides are equal and parallel, like a parallelogram, and the 2 diagonals bisect each other, like a parallelogram. And the new conditions is 4 angles, right, and the 2 diagonals equal in length. A rhombus: each 2 opposite sides are equal and parallel, and the 2 diagonals bisect each other, like a parallelogram. The new properties are 2 diagonals perpendicular, and the 4 sides are equal in length. Square: each 2 opposite sides equal and parallel, 2 diagonals bisect each other, and the new properties: 4 sides are equal, 4 angles are right, 2 diagonals equal perpendicular and bisect each other. Remark: a square is a rectangle. Square is a rectangle. It means rectangle. When we want to convert it to square, we must make 2 adjacent sides equal or 2 perpendicular diagonals. A square is rhombus. When we convert rhombus to square, we must make angles right and diagonal are equal. Okay, exercise number 1. Choose. ABCD is a parallelogram. Measure angle A 80 degrees, so measure angle C. A equals C because A and C are opposite, B and D are opposite, so each 2 opposite angles are equal, so measure angle C equal 80. Number 2, a rhombus of side length 8. All sides of rhombus are equal. Its perimeter side times 4. Side equal 8, so 8 times 4 equals 32 centimeters. If 2 adjacent sides of a rectangle are equal, it means all sides of rectangles are equal. All sides equal and all angles right, so rectangle converted to square. ABCD is a square. Measure angle CAB. Draw ABC. D square, angle ACB, angle ACB. A diagonal of a square bisect each angle to equal parts. Each angle of measure 90, so 90 divided 2 equal 45 degree. Space is a parallelogram in which of its angles are right. When we add a property of all angles right to a parallelogram, convert it to rectangle. Number 6. A measure of interior angle of a regular octagon equals what? Equals n minus 2 times 180 over n. N equals what? Equals 8. Put n equal 8. So 8 minus 2 times 180 over 8 equals 135 degree. Number 2, complete a quadrilateral in which of two diagonals bisect each other. All quadrilateral, we studied it before, like square, rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle, all of them, two diagonals bisect each other. Write any one of them. The two diagonals in space and space are equal in square and rectangle. Number 3, the sum of measures of the exterior angle of a pentagon. The sum of all exterior angles of any polygon 360 equals 360. Number 4, the polygon which has an interior reflex angle is called concave. Exercise number 3, ABCD is a rhombus. Measure angle ACB equal 32 degree. So find the measure angle D. Find the measure angle D. We studied about a rhombus, each two opposite sides parallel and all sides are equal, and its diagonal bisect each angle to equal parts. So measure angle ACB 32, so measure angle ACD equals also 32 degree. AD parallel to BC, so measure angle DAC 32 to alternate like letter Z. So measure angle D equals 180 minus 32 plus 32 equals 116. Thank you and goodbye.